Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete duplicate contacts on your Android phone. Duplicate contacts can pile up when you sync accounts, switch phones, or import contacts, making your list messy. To clean it up, start by opening the Contacts app on your phone. Next, tap the Organize button, usually shown at the bottom right side of the screen, and look for an option called Merge and Fix for Manage Contacts. Tap on it and your phone will scan for duplicates. From there, you'll see suggestions to merge contacts that share the same name, number, or email. Just confirm the merge and your duplicates will be combined into a single entry. If you prefer, you can also manually select a contact and tap Delete to remove it completely. For extra cleanup, you can also visit Google Contacts on a web browser where the Merge and Fix option works across all devices synced to your account. And that's how you delete duplicate contacts on Android. Thanks for watching.